this error. Asset class 1160, asset class 116 cannot be used in company code JY01. Why? Because when you create an asset, the system determines the chart of depreciation from the company code definition. So what it's saying is that you need to let the system know how an asset class is to be depreciated, or is to, yeah, let me leave it at that. How is to be determined. So you need to determine how an asset class needs to be depreciated, and that's what you need to do. So what we'll do is that I'm just showing you this error so that you can see it clearly. Then we'll go to the system. Okay, I'll go to this place. Now there's something called okay, let me, under valuation, you close this asset, you come to asset accounting, then you come to general valuation, then you come to determine depreciation. You see, you have to do determination of depreciation. You have to do determination of what? Of depreciation. So, okay, let's quickly maintain this our Excel sheet. We say corporate reference chart of depreciation, assign company code, which we have done. We've also done define asset class, we've specified accounts, all these ones we've done. I think all this we've done. I do not think there's something that we've forgotten. If I remember, I'll update the sheet. I think we have done all this. So what we need to do now is determination of depreciation area, which we have not done. So we'll just quickly do that now. So how do we? Okay. Okay. So now we come to this determine depreciation area in asset class. Then we'll find our asset class here. Our asset class is 11600. We'll come here. So this is computer item. Remember, we created an asset class computer item. So we want to determine how the depreciation area should be calculated or should be seen. We'll click on depreciation area. Then we'll come to this place. Now we need to assign screen layout here. Now this screen layout here is by default, is by SAP, but you can create one for yourself. You can create one for yourself. I'm using 1000 because 1000 is the screen layout for main asset, while 2000 is the screen, is the layout screen for sub assets. So I'm selecting 1000. Then I will deactivate this. I will click on deactivation. I will check this box, because if you don't do that, I'll click enter. I'll re-explain this part. Depreciation key is also very important. Depreciation key is like a method. Depreciation key is like a method of how you want uh, your depreciation should be calculated. For example, you can say straight line method, or you say declining balance method, or you say reducing balance. So we'll select one. I'll just select this GL20. You can go inside the system and check and look at what is obtainable. In some other video, I'll create the decision key separately. But because this video is becoming too lengthy and I need to quickly um, rush the video. Sorry for that. I think you should understand what I meant. So the decision key, we need to create one. We'll create it maybe in the second video. We'll create the decision key. So these are the things you need to check. So we'll save it. I'll click on save. Click on save. Good. We have saved. We have determined how to. So you need to deactivate this. If you don't deactivate this, the system will not allow you to post. It will not allow you to do any some sort of depreciation. So you need to uncheck this. The layout is here. Depreciation is here. We are fine. So I'm going outside. I'm going outside. I need to go. Let me go back to this place now. So let me go outside so that you see AS01. So I'll put the asset class again. I'll put the company code and I'll click on enter. Now it's saying information about last completed fiscal year is incomplete. This error, let me just open the details. This error is telling us